Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tool review is going to be a new tool from Klein, or at least a new version of a tool from Klein. This is the Klein Tools Flip Socket Conduit Reamer Driver. Part number on this one is 85191HD. This is the version that comes with the handle, the conduit reamer, and then the flip socket as well. That's going to run you $30. They also have a version for $20 that's just the reamer and the flip socket. I went ahead and bought this one because the handle looked interesting. It's a little bit different than looking as far as the rest of them go, so I wanted to check it out. On the package, it says you're going to get your number 2 square drive, also a 1/4 and 5/16 on your flip socket. All of that is impact rated. You're going to get that conduit reamer. This one, you're going to get the handle. It reams 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch conduit. And the big selling point of this tool right here is that it reams conduit without removing components. So essentially, you can keep the reamer on there with your bit and everything in there, put that inside your pipe, ream the pipe, and then pull it out and put on your connector. That's the idea behind it. Here is the back side of the package if you want to zoom in and check any of that out. It's kind of a big package, hard to get that in the screen. And then down here you can see it is also made in Taiwan. But that's pretty much all the packaging and the price. Let me get it out of the package and then we'll take a look at it. So out of the package, you've got 3 components. One of them is the flip socket itself. I do like the fact that it comes on this smaller shaft. It's one reason why I really bought this one, is because I like to have extra of this size right here. It's more like the, my favorite Malco size that I used to run in my impacts all the time, but I like to have several of these. I can put individual flip sockets on it instead of swapping them around. This is my favorite size, to go on my impact. So as far as out of this package, you could use just this flip socket if you want to. If you've got this in your tool bag and you need a bit holder or something like that, because you can use it as your 1/4 and 5/16 nut driver. As far as if you push that down, it's a magnetic nut driver, or you can pull that out and put a bit in the 1/4 inch. Again, it does come with that square number 2. And then it also comes with the conduit reamer that does 1 inch, 3/4, and 1/2 inch. There's no real marking on the sizes, but it's kind of, a given on it. You can see the Klein tools right there. As far as there's the part number 85091HD. And then you get the handle. So here is the handle in size comparison. Like here is the ratcheting 11-in-1. So it's a little bit longer, but it's about the same diameter, kind of in a way. And then there's what it looks like as far as if you're looking down at it in your pouch or in your bag, it's going to say Reamer Driver like it does right there. So to insert this, you can take your conduit reamer and just push it in. You don't have to pull back the collet or anything like that. That is locked in there very well. There's no like wobble on that whatsoever, like no in and out, nothing. Then to remove it, you're just going to pull back, and then that releases that. And again, you don't have to use the conduit reamer. You can also just use it as a flip socket handle or whatever else that you want to put in this handle. You can use it for that as well, and it really locks it in there. There's no play back and forth inside of this handle, so I do really like that about it. And this is very easy to pull because it's kind of got those ribs on it, so I do like that as well. So that's basically your 3 components, your flip socket, your conduit reamer, and then that as well. So if we put it all together, this is the intent of this screwdriver right here. Let me get a tape measure real fast so we can get an overall length. So overall, we are at, if you use everything like it comes, basically right around 9 inches on that screwdriver. Let me go ahead and get the handle by itself, so in case you're curious about that, in case you're going to run it with something else, right around 5 inches in length on that. So again, the intent behind this is I can use this all at one time and ream conduit and do all those things. I decided to get 1/2 inch out because that's going to be the smallest diameter for all this stuff to fit into, and I had some extra 1/2 inch laying around. So if I'm going to take my bandsaw, cut me a piece of 1/2 inch conduit, set that off to the side. Now let's say I need to ream this to get rid of all that right there. I can either do it like this, slide that in there, use it as a screwdriver. So I can go about it that way. Then I can come out, slide my connector on, and then now I've also got that square number 2 right there. So I don't have to change anything. I can use just this one tool to pretty much complete that entire thing. Don't have to change anything, don't have to take anything off. That's the big selling point of this. And then also it is impact rated, so I could do the same exact thing, put it in my impact. Let me take that connector back off, since that's the only one I've got out here. And then I can also run that in there as well, use it as the impact, get those burrs and everything out of there, slide this on, tighten that down, Boom, right there, one tool. So again, they have the screwdriver handle version. Like this right here, if you want to keep it in your bag that way, I would suggest it's worth $10 getting this, even if all you need is this, because again, you can take this right here, you know, put some other bit holder or whatever else you like to use, a magnetic bit holder, and just make yourself whatever kind of screwdriver you want out of it. It's a nice size handle for you to be able to use for whatever you want to, although it is going to always be labeled Reamer driver. But there you go, guys. There is the Klein Tools Flip Socket Conduit Reamer Driver. That's a mouthful. Part number 85191HD. 30 bucks with the handle, 20 bucks if all you want is this. I really like the handle personally. I'm sure I can find some great uses for it. Or if you just want to store it in your bag to make it easier to pull this out if you want to, that might be the reason to get that as well. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. Again, I like the size flip socket. This is going to be probably the standard of whatever you've always been using. There's really not going to be a big difference between that and maybe other conduit reamers you have. And then also you got this handle. I feel like it's a pretty good price to get all those things. The fact that you can, again, use it as a screwdriver, move it over, put it in your impact if you want to, pretty much all the pieces. I think it's a pretty good deal. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. If you've been running it, I think it's fairly new, but maybe you guys have got your hands on it. How well do you like it? Drop that in the comments below as well. As always, I hope this video was helpful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.